Hi, it's Bob Sokoler, the Sokoler team, Remax Properties East, coming to you from my office studio. And I want to invite you personally to a home seller workshop July 23rd from 7 to 9 p.m. Now, this will be a virtual workshop using Zoom, so you can attend from the comfort of your very own home. I know personally, after meeting with hundreds of sellers every year, many of you have the same types of questions and similar concerns about getting your home ready to sell and the selling process. Our workshop on July 23rd from 7 to 9 p.m. will include an overview of what to expect along with some experts to help you with preparing your home for a home inspection and obtaining financing for your next home. Of course, each of your homes is different, but this will give you kind of a broad overview of the things that you'll need to be thinking about as you prepare to sell your home, either this year or next year. This is a free, no obligation workshop, and we will be talking about the 10 variables when it comes to listing and selling your home. Now, those variables will include things like how to price your home based on what's currently for sale to get the most money, the most important common pricing pitfalls, and how to properly price to get over asking price. We also will talk about tips for negotiating how to handle the inspection to reduce hassles. Also, how to stage your home so it stands out and looks the very best it can. There's also a simple way to get rid of all the stuff from all over the years in your home. We'll tell you how. Also, how to create competition among buyers to drive up your price. We call it a blitz, by the way. And why photographing and a 3D tour are so important these days. We'll also tell you about how to make the most of the first 2 days of your home that it's on the market, and that's really important. And my simple fixes that cost very little but add so much value to your home and the sales price. We'll also talk about how to time a sale correctly if you need to buy and sell at the same time. No double mortgage payments in this plan. Throughout the workshop, we'll be taking questions as they come up. These free seats are limited, so sign up as soon as possible. Again, the date, July 23rd from 7 to 9 p.m. You'll see the link to sign up below. We really do hope to see you there. I'm Bob Sokoler, the Sokoler team, Remax Properties East.